The United States is deeply concerned about the escalating crisis in Ethiopia and widespread human rights abuses committed by all parties to the conflict. We condemn the use of starvation as a weapon of war, which the Ethiopian government has reportedly done by blocking humanitarian access and detaining tens of thousands of ethnic Tigrayans under life-threatening conditions. We also condemn the Tigray People's Liberation Front's human rights abuses, including killing and raping civilians. We are profoundly worried by reports that Amhara forces are systematically killing Tigrayans in western Tigray. Finally, we condemn Eritrean forces' human rights abuses in Ethiopia. The United States urges the creation of a mechanism to investigate, report on, and collect and preserve evidence of all violations and abuses by the parties to the conflict. And we call for 1. The parties to end hostilities, enable unhindered humanitarian access, enter negotiations without preconditions, refrain from inflammatory rhetoric, and respect human rights. 2. The Ethiopian government to release all civilians and allow international monitors timely access to detainees. And 3. Those responsible for violations and abuses to be held accountable.